Hey guys, welcome back. So today's Sunday, Easter Sunday, and me, like a big dodo, decided to go shopping today and didn't realize that Publix was closed, so I was stuck with Walmart today. But I did a little grocery shopping haul here, and I just wanted to show you what I bought. And we're gonna do a little deep clean of my refrigerator. But all items can be found at Walmart, as you know, at a good affordable price. I usually do my grocery shopping on the weekend so I could have everything ready for the rest of the week. You know, the kids have their snacks, have their little pudding, yogurt, that's for my mom, and their little juice and stuff. So let's jump into this deep clean. I'm gonna clean my refrigerator. It's disgusting. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. It's time for a nice deep clean. And also my freezer. It's bad, but let's jump into this deep clean. So step number one to cleaning out the refrigerator, I had to turn it off. Of course I didn't show that part, but the refrigerator is off. And here I am, I'm emptying out all the items so I could, you know, remove the shelves and stuff like that, so I could clean the back of the fridge and the side as well. So now I'm gonna clean out a lot of the old items I have in my freezer, you know, stuff that's been expired for a while, and throw it in the trash. So guys, the refrigerator is nice and empty. You can see how disgusting this refrigerator is. Should be ashamed of myself, but I'm busy and I have the time today to do it. So let's jump into this deep clean. So I'm using some dish detergent and water, basically soap and water, to wipe the shelves. That usually works for me. I don't use, you know, any special product or any special product. I just use soap and water to wipe the shelves, and later on you see me remove them and wash them down a little bit. So we're moving on to the freezer. You know, wipe down the inside of the door and get out some of this ice and stuff that's sitting on the bottom inside the back of the freezer, but basically wipe it down and all that good stuff. So guys, everything is nice and clean. It's a little soapy right now, but I'm gonna go in and wipe it down with just water, just, you know, plain water. See how nasty my floor is. but it's nice and clean. That alarm that you hear is the, you know, the refrigerator alarm telling you that the door is open. But let's continue into this deep clean. Oh, it's a lot, but let's continue. So I remove 2 of the shelves to wash them down, get the soap off, get some of that, you know, nasty sticky juice that spill, you know, in the refrigerator. Wash it down and basically clean it up. I also removed the storage bins in the refrigerator to wash them out, take out some of that sticky stuff that got in there as well. But you know, basically wash them off and clean them up and to put them back inside the refrigerator. This is the bottom shelf. I have to remove it and take out the storage bin and also remove the glass, as you can see here, because you know, juice and stuff tends to get in the nook and cranny in those little areas, so I have to remove the glass to clean it. But yeah, that's basically what I have to do every time I gotta clean this refrigerator. Such a pain in the butt. So I'm doing the final wipe down, make sure I didn't miss anything, you know, any little crumbs or any little spots that I might miss, and you know, get the refrigerator nice and clean. So I'm gonna put back all the shelves and the storage bin, as you can see here, because I just finished wiping it down, drying out the refrigerator, and then I'll basically, you know, put all the items that I bought at the grocery store in the refrigerator. So I basically put all the grocery items away, so I'm just gonna clean up the kitchen a little bit. You know, I made a mess, wiped the floors, you know, basic kitchen cleaning. So I'm putting away some of the stuff in the pantry. Unfortunately, my apartment does not come with a pantry, you know, room or a little area. So I basically have to utilize every nook and cranny of my cupboards. But I make it work. Okay guys, now to see the final results. This is the freezer. As you can see, everything is organized. That's my eye mask right there, just in case I got puffy eyes. My kids' Eggo, their waffle. I put all the bag veggies and stuff in here, and my turkey bacon. This is some chicken, corn, and I love some corn dog. So let's go down to the bottom. And as you can see, I got my baby her applesauce, some yogurt, that's for my mom, that's what she drinks for her protein. Got her egg, my little Molly Love naked juice. I got some water. You know, whenever you get thirsty, you need something to clear the throat, something nice and cold, some nice cold water. I got some pudding snack. I got some Welch's guava pineapple juice, and here I have my baby love bagel, plain bagel with her cream cheese, of course. I got my wine, oak leaf, of course. This is pretty good. I like Pinot Grigio. That was the only thing they had in white. I usually store my onion. There's some lime, tomato. Here's my thyme that I use whenever I cook my curry chicken. Here's some Jamaican cheese because today is Easter. We usually eat bun and cheese. This is, my son loves his mixed cheese. And this is my open turkey bacon. I can't get down in there, but you can see everything is organized. Here's the whipped cream cheese that my daughter used on her bagel. And I got my butter. This is some cottage cheese with pineapple. My mother loves that. That's my baby medicine. Hey, whoa, almost fell. This is my sour cream, some lime juice, mayonnaise, some whipped cream, and then the cereal. I usually store the cereal whenever the kids open them in the fridge because I don't want roaches, and this tends to prevent them, and it keeps the cereal fresh to me when I refrigerate them. So this is my fridge all organized. Hopefully I could get it a little bit more organized, but I think I did a pretty good job. Tell me what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video so everyone, you know, could get my video, my channel out there. This is just like promoting your channel, so please don't forget to like, thumbs up this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.